Electricians doing 2 to 6 unit multifamily jobs know it's hard to find the right meter center. Horizontal designs are too wide, and systems built for 7 or more units require more assembly. Meet Square D's latest MP Meter-Pak, purpose-built for small multifamily, UL listed and NEC compliant right out of the box. The Meter-Pak ships fully pre-assembled in an all-in-one enclosure. Save time and material with maximum 3 conduit runs versus up to 7 on horizontal designs. Every tenant's wires, ground, neutral, and hot land in one place. No pulling cables to the longest point. No fishing through a tangle. Vertical compartmentalization keeps the footprint tight, using up to 32% less wall width than horizontal designs. The Square D MP Meter-Pak, the NEC-compliant meter center, purpose-built for 2 to 6 units.